Beauty pageants have been evolving evolving with time. Some say that these pageants are only a form of exploitation and money-making for others. With the many years of history of Miss Gay pageantry in Nabwa, what is one thing about Miss Gay pageant that you think is the most significant contribution and why? Again, with the many years of history of Miss Gay pageantry in Nabwa, what is one thing about Miss Gay pageantry that you think is the most significant contribution and why?
More than just an avenue for beauty and talent, I see beauty pageants as a tool for us to rally for our causes and advocacies. And I think this is the most significant contribution that beauty pageants show to the world. I, as an advocate for trans visibility and gender equality, I use this platform to showcase to the world that we are all equal, we are all diverse, and we, the LGBT community, deserves to be recognized, acknowledged, and respected in the society. And with this platform, we are also sending a powerful message to the world that every gender identity is valid. Yes. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, candidate number 2.